So how you doing? We're here at Plain Truth Entertainment NYC Recording Studio. We're about to show you how to figure out the tempo, find out the tempo of an instrumental using Pro Tools, the BPMs. And this is Steve Sola, aka the Mix King. I'm going to show it to you right now. Okay? All right, here we go. Go open up a session in Pro Tools. New session. Now I like to use AIFF, but you could use also Wave, and definitely use 24 bits at all times. I use 44.1 because it's CD standard, so you don't have to do any conversions, or the computer doesn't have to do any conversions unless you're using 96K. Let's just use it like that. Create blank session. I guess let's go on the desktop, just call it 1. Okay, import the beat. I'm just using the latest one that a client came in and wanted to work on, Wiz Khalifa one. If I go too fast, you can always pause it and go back. Important thing. Instead of ticks, put it on samples. Bang. Okay. And as in all your sessions, I'm teaching you something else too. Use a master fader so you can see what the hell you're doing. If you're going overs or anything like that. Okay. So over here I see it's the beginning of the song, so there's no beat. So to make it simple, let's go to the beginning where there's the beats. Instead of using grid, use slip for now. So find beat 1, right there. Zoom in a little bit. Try and get as close as possible. Let's say right there. Apple E for cutting it. Take that off, put it on standard. Start from here. Right. Next downbeat. Zoom in again. Right about there. Apple E to cut. Then select the 2 pieces that you cut and let it loop at least once or twice to make sure that you have you don't hear anything weird. Yeah. Here we go. Sounds pretty good. I guess for Plain Truth Entertainment Mix King. Sounds good, right? Alright, so Apple I to figure out the tempo. The location, you put it on 1. I'm going a little slower than usual so you guys can figure it out. Now, I don't remember if it was 3 bars or 4 bars or 2 bars, but you'll figure out real quick. Let's see. So it was more than that. It was 4 bars, so you put it at 5. Because when you start again, it's not 4-1, it's 5-1 because the next bar is the 5th bar. So it's going to be 4 bars. Okay. Apple 3 will show you the tempo. Okay, now as you can see over here, it says 92.9861. We are close, but not that close. One of my tricks is to put it in grid mode again, and then select something divisible by 4. like let's say 40 bars, or we can pick, let's say 44. Let's see what it sounds over here. Yeah, go a little bit before that. Okay, see, now we're a little off right there. Put it back in slip and get it right before the kick. Right there. Cut it again, Apple E. You select this. You could do Apple H to mend it, heal it. And also, let's not forget the first 4 bars. You can do Apple H again to heal, and Apple E to select the 44 bars. Once you got these 44 bars, Apple I again. Now you got 1 to the 45th bar. See, we're close. 4, 5, bang. Okay, now we're a lot closer. We are 92 beats, 0.9987. So that's 13 out of 1,000. We're very close. So if you want, you could change this and manually put it at 93. Or I like to just keep it at what it is. But we are very, very close to 93 beats per minute. Now, if I want to loop anywhere in the song, like 2 bars, it will loop correctly. And once you have that, you can even do things like this. Because we call it in grid mode, perfect grid. I mean, you can do tricks like this too. I'll show you something else. I don't see why not. We put in 8 notes. And it would sound like... Or even more. You can have some fun with it. It could be the beginning of one of your songs. When you redo it, it'll sound a little different. It'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4. And I mean, you could put this at the beginning of a song. It's 2 bars. So instead of the beat dropping to here, you could. Again, if I'm going too fast, you're gonna pause it and go back to it. Instead of dropping. Here we go. Make it a little bit different. Hope you had fun. Plain Truth Entertainment, NYC Recording Studio, Steve Sola, aka The Mix King. Shout out to Martin, Daryl, Creon, Dre. I mean, the list goes on and on, but shout out to everybody that helped make Plain Truth Entertainment everything that it is today. 3 years we've been here, downtown Manhattan, by Wall Street, where the money is. Come visit us. Check out the plaques. Peace.